if we are to create some new flares, taking a look at this reference movie, I will go to the next marker and we will try to create this. We can do it. We've made something very similar at the beginning. I remember here there are similar flares. This is different and it's quite good to reproduce. This is interesting too. So let's start from this one that is harder, that is different from other flares that we've tried to recreate. So move the sun in the same position if we can. This could be this one. Here for sure we have Starburst. And so I will deactivate the light reflection. I will take the ghost because I need them. There is no anamorphic, I suppose. And so let's go to the Starburst, activate it, and try to understand what's happening there. So turn on the brightness, turn up the blur. Let's change these to... Okay. Then some blur. Okay. This could be good. As you can see, when you use a Starburst with blur, it creates a spotlight there, a point light. Even if you deactivate this, you'll have a point light because the sum of each ray will create this effect. I will turn down the brightness and okay. I would like to have them. The color of these elements are Sunbeam's color. Is this one? Yes, I want them a little warm like this. We will see. Let's concentrate now on these ghosts that are here. Our ghosts, we need them a lot. Let's go to a line extension and we'll set to 1 and offset we'll set to 0. We need a lot of space here. Maybe we can extend it more. Okay, for sure we will need some red and red and red because there are a lot of red, and we will have to saturation to 1 and the hue we'll have to let it there. We'll have to change the scale. Okay, we'll have to change the brightness because we need more brightness. We can try to move this and scale and the other one scale because we have lots of element that we can move with this, and we can try to understand, okay, to create some variations into these colors so that we can see other colors coming out from them. Another one here is not changing anything that we will see. This one is the one that we want to be red. Maybe we don't want it to be so powerful. Okay, and could be fine. We can, this precision could be broken with this element in all the lanes. There is some imprecision in the order of the ghosts, so it could be interesting to create a little variation so that they are not so perfectly aligned, and it could be useful. You can try to modify more than what I made here. Let's see what happens if I change the scale of these. You can change the color position. Okay, this is another good variation, I think, because when you move, as you can see, there is some color that moves with within your ghost, and you can modify it with this element. It is related to the second generator, and this one is related to the first generator. As you can see, this one doesn't create so much different, and this one, it creates a big difference. Maybe you can turn down the brightness, turn down the saturation a little, and this is not the same effect that we have here, but it is inspired by it, and could be great. Maybe we can change this color to something more cinematic blue. Yes, it can be. So I will save it, and thank you for watching, and see the next video. Bye bye.